Hey brewers and beer lovers, Jake with superbrewers.com. Today I am going to harvest a computer fan for use in my keg freezer. So let's get started. So the first thing is gotta remove the case, and if you have a computer that's been sitting around for a while, you're gonna be dealing with a lot of dirt and stuff. This was in a really dusty spot. So on these from Dell, I like the fan on the side because it comes with there's a box that is held in place, so you have to remove that screw and then disconnect the power and then slide it out. And it sometimes takes a little finagling. Let's see. And you might need to pop off the heatsink. You could also pull the heatsink fan, but that's not what I like. And that comes right out. And what you're gonna do is cut these 3 wires, and then I have an old router that has a 12 volt DC converter on it, and I'm gonna cut that and get this all cleaned up. So DC 12 volt, DC 12 volt, and you can use different voltages. It'll just spin the fan at a slower rate. So I'll get those cleaned up and be right back. So this is the frame that I like from the fan that was mounted on the side of the computer case. There's some screw holes, so since I'm going to be mounting this in my freezer, I can loop a wire through here, or you could even use it to screw it to the side of a collar if you have a collar in the freezer. So you can use it however you want to use it that way. But this is the important part that we were looking for. And so once you get it all cleaned up, if your fan has 3 wires on it, the red, blue, and black, the black is the neutral, the red is to provide power to the fan, and then the blue wire can be used if you have a way to control the fan speed. So that's what you're gonna be using. Since we're not controlling the fan speed, we just want this to run. I'm gonna fold that back.
because shorting out your electrical system is never a good thing.
And then plug it in, and we're all set. So hopefully that helps you get a fan if you want to use it for circulating air in your kegerator, or you can also tie into that blue wire to do speed control to build a stir plate. So brew up an adventure.